Hi, it's me here from the Vlog Academy, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a picture-in-picture in iMovie. Placing a picture-in-picture is really straightforward in iMovie, but it can be a little bit tricky to figure out how to do it. So I'm going to show you how. And this is really a quick way to raise the look of the quality of your video. It looks more professional when you've done this, because you can place your logo inside the image, or you can add graphic design or something like that. So this is how you go about it. Okay, so we're now inside iMovie, as you can see, and I've lined up a clip here on the timeline, which you probably recognize because you've seen me just a second ago. But what we want to do is to put an image on top of this image or the video clip, and I want to insert my logo. So you can see that I have already imported my logo into my media. So this is a JPEG that I've imported, but you can use a PNG, a PNG or other formats too. But this is the one I want to use. So what I do is that I just highlight that, I just click on it, and then I drag it in and I place it on top of the timeline. So there we are, we have the logo on top of the timeline. But as you can see, it's covering everything, and we don't want that, and it's got a strange Ken Burns effect on it as well. So what do we do then? Well, either you go up here above the viewing window, and you can see that to the left there are two squares, and they say video overlay settings. So the left hand of the menu, and then you get another menu where it says cutaway. So you go to cutaway, and below here in the tabs you've got picture in picture, and that's what we want to have. We want to create a picture in picture. Now we're going to come back to how we crop this, but we want to make sure that it's highlighted. If it's already highlighted on the timeline, then you can go directly to this menu here, the cutaway menu, and go picture in picture. So that's how you insert a picture on top of your video. But as you can see, it's actually cropped my logo, so it's not looking the way it should, and I'm not happy with that. So how do we set it right? What it's done is that it's cropped it 16:9 so that it automatically can fill this whole window. But again, I don't want that. That is not the size I want. And then we need to go back up to this top menu in the viewing window, and we need to go to crop. When you click crop and then fit, it's going to give you the whole image. Okay, but then when we've done that, you've got to go back down and highlight and double click your logo above the timeline. Now you can see the full logo, and then we can just size it the way we want so it fits in the right place. So there we have it. So you got the picture in picture over here, and then you might need to go over to the cropping tool here to get it in the right crop format for you. But that's it for today. If you want more how-to videos and top tips, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel, or get in touch if you want to work with me in person. Bye for now.